containers that have been put together for us, it's the best thing that could happen to us, because that's the only way that we could run our business. It will give us an opportunity to have a place to come to work to. My name's Lorena Granados and we own a leather shop in Mogo.
My name's Avril Berryman and I own ABC Property Sales and Mogo Mutts. I went from working 10 hours a day, 7 days a week to zero, and it's just going to be so awesome to bring back all my clients and get everything happening.
We just want to be able to trade and service our customers.
Biz Rebuild are a lot of the mastermind behind it, as far as I understand. We've had Josh and Cliff representing Biz Rebuild here, and they've just been fantastic on site.
Clifford Leafu, I'm a project manager for the Biz Rebuild. Everybody's under the pump at the moment to try and finish it, so it's been a really big effort from all the local tradies and the shopkeepers to try and make this happen, and everybody's kind of chipping in, and all the local tradesmen understand what we're doing here, so they've all kind of helped out in their capacities.
Dallas Muscroft, I'm the contractor that's been engaged to build this deck and get these shops up and running. Been a lot of people, just sort of general public, coming in and just asking us what are we doing, what's it all for, and yeah, just the surprise that they get, and everybody just sort of seems to think that it's great.
I'm Lexi Nunn. My business is My Little Boutique, which used to be called Boho Chic in Mogo. I've been flat out renovating furniture to actually use in my shop. The tradies have been absolutely amazing. They're here like all the time, even Sundays. I thought I would come in on Sunday, they wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be in their way, but no, the tradies were here.
The tradies have been spectacular. They've been giving up their weekends with their families to be doing this for us.
Look at the building, like for us who have lost everything, just to be able to get in here. Biz Rebuild, you can't thank them enough for what they've actually done.
The community's come together. Nice to see. It's brought out the best in people.
It's been really good, really gratifying to be able to do something like this.
This building behind us, everybody has been absolutely amazing.
I've just been able to get back to work.
Yeah, just get our lives back together again. Biz Rebuild, thank you.